Hi friends, welcome to my channel The Lyrics. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Pray for Me by Mustard. Take 14th on the album on Faith of a Mustard Seed. Producers Mustard, Jamie and Third More. The song released on 12 July 2024. Once again I say welcome back if you're a new viewer or an old viewer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for latest updates. Stay connected with me. Like and share my video. Link of my website gillyrics.com. Tejon MC Furlan born 5th June 1990, professionally known as Mustard FK, DJ Mustard is an American rapper, record producer, and DJ from Los Angeles, California. While on an episode of Complex Everyday Struggle, Mustard revealed that he started as a DJ around the age of 12. However, rather than by choice, it was because he was left out of parties and it was his family's business and that his uncle was a big DJ out here and him how to DJ. Eventually he moved on to DJing his own parties to high school pep rallies, football games and basketball games. Once again I say welcome back if you're a new viewer or an old viewer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for latest updates. Stay connected with me. Like and share my video. Link of my website gillyrics.com. If you want read these lyrics, you can see in description. Visit my website gillyrics.com. First, giving honor to God to Miss Coral, who had first brought me and my moms to the church, where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yea, with judgment coming from all angels, I will never defend myself or approval from strangers when they do not give a someone about my kids. Shit, you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis who miss my granny. We need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID and pray for every one of my little cousins. We was really more like sister and brothers. I could thank him for sharing the dad because growing up he was really all that I had. Instead to Oregon on life, I should have prayed with the I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called because he don't struggle with his pride. It was up to him then. Posha still deeply alive. So pray for me, pray for PC, pray for TC. I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga kid or man, he came through, swag through with the number one. Right before the album dropped, I ain't even need on rollout, so you gotta pray for him. So the point of this album is to have faith no matter what field of work you in, no matter what you do in life, have faith in it and believe in it all times because in a world full of the devil doing good knows what long as you keep God first you will be alright. Not to make it about that but for the most part man I just want everybody out there you have been watching me this whole time studying my career and you watching my whole journey you have seen my grow you have seen who I am. You have seen who I have become. You have seen who I am not. My kid, cause I did not have a father. Faith of a mustard seed is a testimony of me just growing and being who I knew I always could be and who I was gone always strive to be no matter what nobody could have gotten in the way of me being who I am and to show you that nobody can get in the way of you until next time and if you ever in doubt of what I'm thinking about you just now I'm praying for you so you should pray for me too. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you did like this video, subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.